Hello everyone, this is Better Graphic once again on your screen. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you step by step on how to create this stunning, amazing and beautiful flyer design, church flyer design. So before we proceed, let's head straight to our Pixellab. So when you go to Pixellab, this is the first interface you'd come across, the canvas space and the Pixellab tools. Now, in my last video, I explained vividly what each one of them meant. Now, the canvas space is the place or the arena, I call it the design arena, where all the elements of design come upon, where you import, blend, and do whatever you want to do to create a stunning and amazing flyer. This is where it occurs or happens. Now, these tools facilitate or enables you to carry or perform each of those tasks. Now, the first thing we'll do is to change the canvas space or the canvas size to fit in the design we are replicating. Now, since the church flyer design that has been done by me, so I'll be replicating and teaching you step by step on how I was able to achieve that. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to change the canvas space. We are going to change the size of this canvas space, and there's a particular method you can actually use if at all you want to understand or you want to know the standard size of a particular design. Assuming you come across a design and you want to replicate it, but you don't know the size the person used, you can actually know how it is being done when you follow this particular format that I'm about showing you. Now you come to this side, scroll to your left, then press gallery. From gallery, then you locate where design is saved. Okay, I saved mine on Pixellab. Then this design, you click it, then you click your check mark. Then you come to this side and check the image side. You see 901 by 1280. So that means the standard size we'll be using for this design is 901 by 1280. Okay, 901 by 1280. You can see I've actually gotten the standard size for church flyer design, and it's an A5 design. It's an A5 size. You can only make use of A5 size for a church flyer design. Now, the second step is to import the flyer itself that we are replicating, so we can see what we are designing to make us faster. Okay. Now, having done that, let's import the background. Let's change it to white. Okay. Now let's import the background, because in the design I made use of two backgrounds. So I will teach you how to blend one background with the other background to create an amazing flyer. Should be in my pin. At first I used a blue background. Let me locate the blue background where it is. Okay, click your check mark, then you enlarge it. Now, on Pixellab, when you enlarge any item or object inside, it tends to reduce the quality of that image or that object as a result of that enlargement. So what you do is to copy the enlarged version and delete the former one. Okay, it's copied. Okay, then you lock it. Now, the main purpose of locking is to prevent what you have set or what you have positioned from moving. You can see it's locked. Once it's locked, it cannot be moved till you unlock it. Now, for this one, we click to front. So this is what you are replicating to front. Okay, now the next thing is to import the second background. Okay. Okay. Then you also enlarge it, or you can come to this side, relative size 100. Then duplicate it, you delete the old version. Okay, duplicate it, delete the old version. Then you fit it into it. Okay. Then this, bring it to front. Now look at what I'll do next. Now I'm about blending this background to the initial background to give it a beautiful outlook as the background, because we're actually working on the background of our design. In any flat design, the first step you are to do is to work on the background first. Create a stunning background that reflects or that gives credence and meaning to your design. Okay, you go to opacity and reduce the opacity. Okay, we are making use of 46. Okay, now you can see we have actually blended the second background, the second layer to the first layer. You reduce the opacity, then we are making use of 46. Okay, after which you lock your background. Now the next step is to let's import. Because if you look at if you check the flyer, where is it, the flyer? Okay, sorry. If you check the flyer, you see angels, carrying of angels with God. You see garden of angels, and there is a being, a God factor in the middle. So we are going to bring the image. Okay, let's go to my photo room. Okay, yeah, this is the image. I see this is the image. So we position creatively. So we position this thing creatively with creativity. Okay. Okay, now if you look at this, because the theme of the church program is Shekinah glory to front, Shekinah glory. So it's talking about the gathering of angels in God's presence. So we need to create a background that reflects the theme of the program to give it a stunning outlook. Now the next step is we are going to blend this image to the background also, because we cannot leave it the way it is. Leaving your work the way it is gives it an unprofessional outlook, and it doesn't protect nor uphold your professionalism in high esteem before people. So you need to protect your image as a graphic designer. So the next step is to blend this image to the background. So making use of our opacity. Okay, reduce it. Can you see this? Reduce it. We are making use of 25. Let's make use of 20, 21. 21 should be okay. Yeah, 21 should be okay. Now if you look at your screen, it has been blended to the background. So we need to reduce the visibility of the image of the angels, so that they could actually rhyme or get blended to the background. Now next step is to lock it. to prevent them from moving. Okay, so after which you import the logo of the church logo. The church logo. You reduce it a little bit, reduce it. That's the church logo, you reduce it. Okay. Then make sure it's at the center. Use your relative position to position it in the middle. And I did something here, you create a shape, reduce it. Sorry. Sorry for that. Create a shape. Okay. Then go to your position button to move it upward. Because it's too small, it cannot be moved with ordinary hand. If not, you would just distort the image. Then reduce the shape a little bit. Still reduce it. Then take to the back of the logo to cover the hole. Yeah. And make sure that the circle and the logo, they are on the same line. Now for you to do that, because we need to move everything at once, so you would come to this point, come to this place, this icon, then you press here, then you click the middle icon. So both of them will position in the middle or at the center. Then you click your check mark and return. Okay, then you lock it. Just lock them. Okay, now the next step is to write the name of the church. Okay, God save us of every nation. Then you change the color. We are making use of contrasting yet complementary color, a white color. Please always make use of color that is visible. So we cannot leave it the way it is. We need to change the font to make it look attractive. So we are making use of Go Bold Upload. Search for Go Bold Upload. It's a very nice font that I love making use of. Go Bold Upload. Okay. Then center line it. Then come to shadow, enable it, then reduce the effectiveness of it. Then come to offset X 1 2 3 4 5 6, Y 1 2 3 4 5 6. Check them out. Then inner shadow, activate it, then reduce the effectiveness also. Then come to offset X, offset Y 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click your check mark. Okay. Then the next thing is to come to your style, bold it, click your check mark. Then make sure you center align everything. Everything should be center aligned. Everything should be center aligned to make your work look professional. Okay, then let's reduce the church logo a little bit. Then you come to this side. Here is size a little bit. Okay, Okay, perfect. Now the next step is to draw a shape. Then come to opacity, reduce it a little bit, reduce it. Let's leave it at 50. Okay, reduce it, still reduce it. Okay, now would write present. Now we can't leave it the way it is. We need to add color to it to make it visible and contrasting. Okay, let's change the font first. We are making use of a particular font. I love using a stylish font. We are making use of I made use of chopping. Yeah, chopping script. If you don't have it, you can download it. It's a stylish font, chopping script. Okay, enlarge it a bit. Okay, then we change the color to this. Now this is the way I got the color. Okay, you come here, click your picker, then move to the second background, then you pick the color. Pick this color. This maroon color. It's maroon color. Yeah, it's maroon. Just pick it. Dark purple color. Just pick it. Then click your check mark. You're good to go. Let me increase the brightness a little bit. You're good to go. Then you can still work on it. You can still come to color. Sorry, the maroon color. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Make sure everything is center aligned. Is center aligned. Your present center aligned. Okay. Now, the next step is to import the theme of the program, Shekinah Glory. Okay, move to your photo room again. Let me move to my photo room. Okay, for those of you who are not aware of photo room is background removing app. You can actually use it to remove or erase any background from an image, and the quality of the image will still be retained. So that's the main purpose of photo room. So it has other purposes, but one of the major reasons people normally deploy it or use it is to enable them remove their background from any image, and the quality of the image will still be retained. Okay, Shekinah, making use of this Shekinah Glory, enlarge it a bit. Okay, let's check the size. (9086). Reduce it, bring it down a little bit. Okay. Please always pay attention to detail. Take your time, don't be in haste. As a graphic designer, you have a right to change whatever you feel should not be at a particular place. Please take out your time, look at what you are designing. Then I did something here. You come to filter, color filter, you come to hue. Yeah, I use 10, yes. Change the color a little bit. Then you lock it. The next step is to go to your save photo room. Then the glory, reduce it a little bit. It will be positioned under the Shekinah. Okay, then go to color filter again. It should be at 10. Yes, at 10. Okay, to maintain the same color level as the Shekinah. Okay, having done that, then okay, the next thing is to write the annual. Go to your text. Annual. Since it's a yearly program, okay, I'm going to change the color first to white, make use of white. Then we can't leave it the way it is, we need to change the font as well. I think I made use of carton. Yes, you are making use of carton font. Please understand psychology of font. So not all fonts are stable for all designs. There are some fonts that are stable for a particular design, others are stable for another design. So you cannot use a general font for all design. So you need to understand one, psychology of color and psychology of font. Okay, you can see annual Shekinah glory. Then you lock it also. Then the next thing is to write our convention. Bring it here. Okay, so change to white as well. We are making use of choppy script, the first font we used. Yes, to give it a stylish outlook. Please, if you are finding value from this class, do well to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get more quality content as this. Please do well to subscribe to get quality content once I drop it on my channel. Okay, positioning properly and thoroughly and carefully. Okay, you can see the design is awesome, looking stunning already. Though we are not yet done, we are still in the process. We are gradually rounding up our design. Okay, now the next step is to lock it as well. So having done that, we would then tagged. Okay, change it to which color again? Mix of white. Then change the font. I made use of this cartoon. Yeah, something like this. Yes. Okay, let's check our flyer. Okay. There's a particular arrow I attached to the tag. I kept it under the tag. Let me look for the arrow. this is the arrow, bring it down. Okay. Then go to crop. Adding this. Okay. Reduce it. And use the position button to drag it. Still reduce it. Go to crop, still reduce it. Sorry. Reduce it in size, still reduce it. Okay. Then go to color. You are changing the color to the color. You are going to pick color from the text effect that was imported. Okay. Yep. Okay, now we are going there. We are getting there. Gradually getting there. Let's check our. Okay, we are on track. Now, next step is to lock it as well. Lock everything to prevent it from moving. Okay, now the next step is let's import the image of the guest minister and position him strategically. And so I've already worked on the image. Okay, image of the guest minister, position him here this way, position him this way. Okay, can you see this? You can see it. Please, the mode and manner you position your image in every design matters a lot. Now, assuming the image is positioned this way, you can see the design may be okay, but you can see the size might have to be reduced to some extent so that the image could fit in or it could fit on the flyer. Now, positioning this image this way would give it the standard outlook we need it to look, or we need design to be. Now, assuming you make a mistake and you want to go back, there's no need you actually deleting it. You just have to press this place. Just press it to take you to the former position or to the place you want to effect correction or the point you made a mistake. Then what you do next is to bring it downward. Okay, having done that, you lock it. Okay, after locking it, the next step is to work on the date, the details of the flyer. Okay, we are from trials to triumph in glory as a topic. Now, okay, from trials to triumph in glory. Reduce it a little bit. Then go to font. We are making the global blue. Then go to color, make it of white. Okay. Okay, let's work on the layout of design. Okay, let's work on it. So there can be more space at the latter part to incorporate the remaining details of the flyer. Then, okay, logo, let's increase it upward a little bit. From here, this is the location, the moving icon. A little bit, okay. Then God sales of every nation. A little bit. Then the present, okay, a little bit. Okay. Then the annual Shekinah glory conversion. Okay. Then the tag. A little bit. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now we need to lock everything to prevent them from moving. Okay, now the next step is to write the details on the flyer, the date, the venue of the convention. Now this is a pattern I actually employed. Okay, copy this. This is the same font. Copy it. Date. And time. Here I made use of gold color. Since the color was taken from the color of the 3D text effect, date and time. We have 26 to 29 December 2025. Copy it again to replicate it. Replicate the color. 26 to 29th December 2025. Okay, can I do something like this? Okay, let's say 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Change the color. Then copy again. 2. Copy again. 3. Copy again. 4. Okay, work on this. Okay, we need to activate our grid line. Okay, so we can maintain alignment. And the first line, please take your time and make necessary arrangement. Don't be in haste. Take your time. Make sure that the lines and straight lines, they are all the same. Going to make arrangements. Ready. Okay. Okay, and next thing is to write the days. Okay, on Friday 26 9 a.m. Okay, let's copy this, not the line, the date. Copy. Then make use of capital letter. Okay, I mean use of capital letter. Okay. Friday 26th. Now this something like this. 1 2 3 then 9 a.m. and make use of white color to indicate emphasis in design. Then copy again. Saturday, I just change it here and the date. Copy again. Then Sunday, Sunday 28. Okay, here is supposed to be to 28. Sorry, December or 29 to 28. Okay, let's arrange the dates. Saturday, that they can begin from the same line. Sunday, okay. Then the line, like I said, when you are designing, you are looking at what you are designing. Then reduce them a little bit. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Expand it to be size in size. Size. Okay. 30. 9. That was 28. Yes, I saw. Okay. 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 Now the next step is to import the venue logo. Reduce it to reduce it, bring it downward. Okay, and our flyer we have okay. Then convention, move it up a little bit, more space. Okay, tag. Okay, from Triumph to Glory and the host of them, move them up. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, now you lock everything to prevent them from moving as well. And please, if you are getting value from this class, do it to like, comment in the comment section, write extreme value, subscribe to my channel to receive quality content. More of this are set to drop on my channel. Please, so when I drop there, you'll be the first to be notified. Then okay, venue. Then we are writing, let's know what the venue. Okay, local government, central school, opposite for diplomacy. Okay, you copy, since you are making use of the same font. Let's copy this. You reduce it. And make use of white color this time around. Make use of white color. Okay. 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 And last time is to write the host and ministry. Okay, photocopy this one or this. Since you apply the same font, cancel it and write host. Okay, we are making use of color. Same color host. Reduce the size. Then the and, let's make use of the and we used here. Use this relative position to bring it down. Then position button to bring upward, so we can be fast. And ministry. Ministry. Okay, we are making use of white color this time around. Please, in graphic design, you make use of minimum of 2 colors, maximum of 3 colors. The same principles also apply to the usage of font. Minimum of 2 fonts, maximum authority font to make your work look coherent. They are making use of the initial font we made use of. Chopping script, yes, chopping script. Reduce it a little bit. Then host and ministry. The next is to write Prophet OEC Goshen. Then we can delete this if we are done. Okay, copy this ministry. Prophet. Change it to the color we picked from the background. Then OEC Goshen Daniel. Change it to this purple color. Okay. Okay, then activate your grid line. Okay. Now with this, we can boldly say that we have come to the end of this design. So the last stage is to edit this design using Snapseed and Pixellab. So before we do that, we need to make adjustments on the lines. Okay, a second one is when designing, look at what you are designing. Take your time, don't make haste. Okay. Okay, then you save it as project. That's right, go share. Then you save it as image. Then as ultra, you save as ultra. And save to gallery. Then let's move to the editing apps. So the first editing app we are making use of is Snapseed. The first editing app we are making use of is Snapseed. Tab. Then you go to tools, go to details. No, at first let's go to tools, to brightness a little bit, contrast a little bit. Just use your thumb finger to scroll the screen of your phone to apply each of the effects listed on the options. Ambience, highlight a little bit, shadow, make it up 11. This when editing, when applying these features, you need to be very careful. Then warmth 11. Okay, you mark the check mark and say this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. Then go to details, increase the structure a little bit. Let's maintain 40. And sharpening, maintain 40 depending on what you want. But as for me, I'm satisfied with the way it is. Then click your check mark. And see, this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, the after, this is the before, this is the after. Then you click your export, then you see. Then last one is the last editing app we're making use of is Pixellab. Pixellab is the last editing app we are making use of. Pixellab. Then it makes use of data. Snapseed does not make use of data, but for the last one it makes use of data. So you turn your data on. Okay. Gallery. Okay, it's loading. Okay, this design worked on, we just worked on. All these ads. Sorry for that. Okay, then you come to Let's Play. You are actually making use of this. Okay, then you position one here. Then you click your check mark. Then you come to this side, duplicate it, press it twice, click duplicate, go back, then drag it, place it here at this strategic position to create light effect on it. Click your check mark to effect it. Come here, press this one twice, duplicate, click here to go back and position it here. Then click your check mark to effect it. Click here again, twice, duplicate and go back, double click to duplicate it again, go back. Okay, and keep this one here as emphasis as regards the venue. And just increase this in size. Okay, effect it, then click here, duplicate, go back, then the crown, give it a shining effect. Okay, effect it. Okay, then go back, duplicate by clicking twice, go back, then the glory. Okay, go back, duplicate, go back, okay. Then for the last one, effect it. Okay, and for the last one, duplicate by clicking twice, go back and keep it under here. And then you effect it to create that shiny thing. Now the last step is to bring in and that lens flare. Go to add photo from my gallery. Okay, sorry, add photo to be my creative arena. Okay, add photo, then add, click add. Okay, bring it to this side to be behind the guest minister. Then go to the opacity, then reduce it, so it will not be too much. Reduce it, bring it to it. Reduce it. Okay, let's put it at 34 and click your check mark to effect it. Okay, with this we can proudly and confidently say that this marks the end of today's design tag Amoa Shekinah Glory conversion. And please, throughout the design, then you save a copy to your phone. Okay, sorry, add, and it's saved. You can save as PNG. It's saved to your phone. Okay, it's saved to your gallery. Now, from the beginning of this video till the end, if you find value and you find this video helpful, insightful, and knowledge-based video pertaining your graphic design, so if this design has actually helped you to learn one or two things, do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section, as I will see you in my next video. Bye.